Hey guys, so namin dire mag-prepare me sa among travel.
So we're having shopping now for our Hong Kong
So they're preparing for their trip or our trip. Outfit. The
Yes.
OOTD girl. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. And I'm a little nervous because, you know, baka mag-exist ako sa aking baggage kasi ang rami-rami ko outing.
Wow! Ay, excited ka na sa Hong Kong.
He is shy.
Hindi siya excited kasi hindi pa siya nabayaran. Maganda mga binayad.
You have to follow my channel because I'm gonna start vlogging in Hong Kong. Wow! So follow me!
Okay guys, papunta kami sa Halang-Halang.
Yeah, halang-halang tayo.
Siya di halang-halang ang Iligan City.
Ano yung Tagalog sa Halang-Halang?
Anghang. Wow! Punta kami sa anghang-anghang.
Now we're going to...
Anong Tagalog sa Halang-Halang?
English mo naman.
Ay, sorry.
Soup number 5?
Let you guys know how are we going to mix halang-halang to make it more delicious. So we are like having our trip with a matching sound of music. Wow! It's like a Ferris wheel.
Halang-halang. Namagi term na.
Anghang-anghang lagi.
Halang-halang.
Dapat mag-kan ka bisaya
Papunta kami ngayon sa Halang-Halang. So anong Tagalog ng Halang-Halang?
Anghang-anghang.
English?
Spicy.
It's a combination of a dog, horse, and a baka. What's a baka?
What's a baka?
Yeah.
A cow.
Cow.
A
And
cow.
we're going to mix some of these spices and then that makes it more delicious. The dog. Yeah, right?
Dog?
Right,
Wala
the
mo ko'y dog.
That's their secret recipe, dog and
No!
horse.
No, they told me it's pork.
It's just a joke.
So papunta kami doon guys, Halang-Halang. I'm not sure if ano yung Tagalog ng Halang-Halang, but sabi nila anghang-anghang daw. So sige, yun na lang.
Yes, it was also featured at Jessica Soho.
So galing kami, nag-meeting kami because they're very excited or we're very excited for our trip to Hong Kong. I mean Macau at Hong Kong.
We are very poor na.
Yeah.
We're out of budget. And one way of sourcing money is going to Plaza. And you're going to make an offer like this,
Yeah, what 150? Kuya, 150?
My soulmate already,
Yeah. Guys, the reason also, one reason we're going to Hong Kong is we will be finding a soulmate for Ayan and Giselle.
Yes, we are broken and longing for something.
Yeah. So hoping that they'll find someone there. But long distance relationship. So okay mo na. Pero basta na may nakita dito na Pinoy.
Lagi.
No?
Yeah?
I think they're very
Bagay may mga Pinoy doon. So
Yeah, lot.
like Catherine Bernardo.
makihalubilo sa tatawin.
Yes.
Those
Sarap ang
friendly.
Yeah, we just need to make friends there.
We're going to ask questions on how are they feeling there. How's life in Hong Kong? And then some of the tips for having savings for our trip.
Yes.
Hong Kong. how to save.
The good thing is we've already booked some of our destinations or tourist attractions via Klook. So
Every traveler's weakness is
Huh?
immigration.
yeah, yun guys. Especially yun yung napag-usapan namin, yung immigration.
At St. Margaret's College and Cathedral.
Yun yung napag-usapan namin guys, yung immigration. Grabe, yun yung nakakatakot kasi lahat kami
Traveler's
first
weakness.
time. It's our first time. So, Giselle, are you ready for the immigration?
Yes. I'm ready.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. This already.
Yeah. I'm a budget vlogger, so you have to follow me.
So guys, if gusto nyo mga OOTD, ito, expert.
Yeah, follow my YouTube channel at I Love Jessie.
Have you paid?
Whoa! Yeah, we've already paid. Guys, wag nyo silang gayahin guys. Kasi tagal silang magbayad.
Give me 3 million.
Bleep.
It's just an expression. It means my God.
Sa mga Bisaya dyan, wag na kayo mag-react. Okay, ando na, dito na kami. We're going. Yeah. So we've already arrived at our destination, the Halang-Halang.
We're going to eat halang-halang here. This is the poblacion of Iligan City.
So andito na kami, Halang-Halang.
Nagaling kong family bigyan.
Sumukaon magkukugalang-halang. So guys, ito yung halang-halang or yung sinasabi
This
nila.
is how are we going to make it more delicious.
Paano?
And put some lemon to make it aso-aso. Sige pa ngayon yan. Gabi ka lang.
Halang.
Bukat sa ilong. Pang libre cook yun, Han. Ito, one.
Ronnie of every morning, itong bayan.
Nitro. So guys, nang libre ako ah.
Kung nalang may kabalo na yung mga hidden charges.
So guys, sulit na sulit dito guys. Magkano to?
I don't know.
20 pesos?
No, 35. Nag-increase na sila. Tapos 10 pesos na rin.
35 pesos, tapos 10 pesos yung rice. So all in all, 45 pesos. Pero yung dati, makakabili ka nito ng 15 pesos lang dati.
Mahal, guys. Gusto ko magpansit ka pa sa tag-gis ko naman.
Ay, gadgets yan. Wala nang kapansit.
Hindi yung rice.
15.
15 yung rice? Ako yung pag-same. Gusto rin.
30-60.
Nagko-compute sila kung magkano yung bayan.
So, we're struggling here, computing our cost.
So busog? busog?
Yeah. Very full.
Okay guys, busog na busog kami guys. Nakay-change.
Lagi, murag yun ng mga buang do. Gusto din money changer.
Guys, ito yung sponsor namin. Inchik siya guys. Ay, Korean. Opa. Mayaman.
Ang saon na lang niya.
Pinakamayaman.
Uy, dili siya.
Sobrang mayaman.
Ay, of course.
Okay guys, so we're done. Tapos na kaming kumain and busog.
And our madam is very full.
Yes.
She only spent 45 pesos at umaangal pa siya doon.
Actually, yung halang-halang dito sa Iligan, dinadayo talaga to sa mga laseng. Mga turista. Turistang laseng.
Gamot sa
24 hours ba?
Yan ang resulta pag mahilig sa kape.
Yeah.
I-change ang voice ano ron niya.
Dinadayo talaga to ng turista, especially yung mga laseng. Pero I'm not sure kasi dati 24 hours pero I'm not sure if ngayon 24 hours pa ba.
Hindi na kasi may curfew.
Kaya nga may curfew na eh.
Tulad ngayon, no, 7 p.m. Oh no, it's already 8. Wala na masyadong tao sa langsangan.
Kaya nga.
Okay, nagkikit ako kung mga inani lang ato mastiyan na hotel dito.
Oh, okay naman.
Okay, very clean.
Pero guys, kailangan talaga natin makapasa muna sa immigration.
Yes. Nilak, juko dahil.
What if no? Nay mabilin.
Walang ngayon. No, wala.
My God. Kami na, this week na gid biya. Pag pila na ako kuan, paspas king panahon.
Oh my God. So, 5 days, take on
Problema guys, nawala kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan na kami papunta.
Pumisa na. Pumisa na. Suot ko. Tignan nyo, nag-jacket ako.
Guys, na namin dire sa airport.
Past the immigration.
Yeah, we passed the immigration. Muntik nang maiwan sina Giselle at sika na sina John.
Kasi nagandahan nyo sa akin. Kaya television niya ako na over.
Papunta na kami ng Macau. So guys, yung process guys is after nyong dumating, pupunta kayo dun sa check-in baggage. Mag-check-in muna kayo. Then after nun, magbabayad kayo ng departure. Ano yun? Anong tawag dun? Tax? Departure tax ba yung tawag dun?
Departure, travel tax.
Okay, travel tax 1,600.
Plus terminal fee
Oo.
of 850.
Then after nun, balik kayo ng check-in, bibigyan kayo ng ticket, and then magbabayad pa din kayo ng terminal fee, 850 pesos yung terminal fee. So ayun guys, saan daw?
Ito daw.
Okay, so mali kaming napuntahan, so dapat doon kami for Air Asia.
Kadi akong heart.
Kamusta yung immigration?
Di na ko mausa. Wala ka kuya po na may ko ganiya.
Akala namin may iwan siya.
Lamin ako yung mong hilok. Kaya ako na kayo pagsulod pag yun niya. Wala, mag-get ako na nagida isa.
God, ito na guys. This is our first international flight. So, ayun na, kakain muna tayo. Board na kami. Tinatawag na yung flight number namin. Going to Macau. Excited?
Kami talo.
This is it. Not everyone. Ano yan? Not everyone can fly back. Guys, ayun na. Andar na yung aeroplano. Pupunta na kami.
Yes, we are very excited.
We're bound to Macau. So excited na kami guys. This is our first ever international flight. Meet Ann Curtis.
Yeah. So, are you excited to meet me there? Wow!
Hi guys! So, eto ngayon, nagla-lunch kami. Kasi napag-isipan namin na mas okay mag-lunch dito kasi mas mura compared if doon kami sa Macau magla-lunch. Kasi sabi ng mga friends namin na nakapunta doon, masyadong mahal daw yung mga pagkain doon. So eto, buti pa siya may rice, sana all.
Wow!
Eto, ano sa'yo?
Chicken lasagna.
Chicken lasagna. And then, eto sa akin is...
So, i-open din ako.
And then, ito sa akin is roasted chicken. Whoa! Pepper sauce.
So,
Alright guys. So, any hour from now, any hour from now, ayun, dadating na kami sa Macau. So, we'll update you guys, okay? Bye-bye! Okay guys, palanding na kami sa Macau. Ayun na. Malapit na kami sa Macau. Excited. Excited.
yes.
Macau. Knock. Macau. Dahil Macau ang sigaw ng puso ko.
Wow!
Inihaw.
Unsa ganito ha? Unsa ganito may name ha? Pwede ni manggod, nagkuhan man jud ta good.
Inihaw daw.
Ano na? Ano? Ni hao. Body mishi. Ay do. Body mishi Giselle. We're crazy.
안녕하세요. 제리는 이은입니다.
안녕하세요.
Hi, anong sayo?
Ikaw ang akin.
Hi, anong sayo? Inihaw?
Nakoy
No,
na.
okay guys,
Gamay na.
ito yung Chinese tutorial ni Giselle. Go, ano yan?
If you basta di ko nung ay. Bakit ka lagi ang ilang camera? Nasabo na kita. Ba?
Okay, go. How do you say,
Ang camera, magamit ka ko ano.
여기 kasi hug.
how do you say, what's your name in Chinese?
Body Minchi Giselle. Ni hao.
Udi Minchi, Aaron.
rudimentary.
Ayun.
Ano pa? Guys, and now we just arrived. Thank you.
Ano si Jason?
Hi, we're here. We just arrived.
Don't take picture,
Oh, sorry. Hi guys, so we're here. Okay guys, so ayun, kukunin na namin yung visitor's pass dito sa immigration. So we've just arrived talaga and yun.
Arrival part.
Yeah, dito kami sa arrival area. So we're here in Macau. So we're going to Grand Lisboa. That's our first stop here in Macau.
Senado Square, no?
Yeah, Senado Square. Grand Lisboa is malapit lang sa Senado Square. And then sa Senado Square doon, malilibot lang natin yung mga iba pang tours like St. Paul's Ruins. Sa dulo daw. Grabe siya. Yun. Nandito na kami. Papunta kami ng Grand Lisboa. So, ayun. Sumakay kami ng free shuttle bus. So, I'm with Ayan. Yun guys. And, yun nga guys, nagpa-exchange kami ng currency doon sa airport. And then, yung exchange ko namin is around, sa akin is 3,000 pesos. Pero yung mga sa kasama ko, nagpa-exchange sila dati ng from Philippine pesos to US dollar nung nasa Pilipinas pa. But I haven't done that, so I have brought a Philippine peso money. So I've changed 3,000 pesos and it is equivalent to around 381 Hong Kong dollar. So ayun, napa-exchange sila ng konting Macau. No, not that one. So yun, so eto na. Ito daw. Mega. We're here at Grand Lisboa, so ayun, nagpapapicture pa sila. Yeah. Mag-hotel.
Ano ang pangalan ng hotel ito?
Tanong siya, check-in? I think we'll have to go to Senado Square. We don't have anything to do here.
So ito na nga yun.
Yeah.
Your tour guide for today. Clara, you should listen.
Okay, we'll listen.
This is your tour guys from year 1200. Yes, this is used during rituals. It's during when the king is having a turnover of the crown. Let's go to another.
How about that one?
John. Okay, this is Zaitsu. This is during the rock formation.
So guys, ayun guys, eto, nalilibot pa rin kami dito sa hotel kung saan kami magstay. So we will be staying here for one night. So we're gonna go check in now. So ayun. So good guys. Guys, so ayun, nagtanong-tanong kami kung saan yung papuntang Senado Square. Malapit lang pala dito. So it's a walking distance. So ayun, Yes, walking distance. It's only around 750 meters away. So ayun. So guys, if you're traveling, guys, you don't have to be scared, to be afraid to ask questions by the locals. So ayun. Kumbaga may sinasabi nga tayong huwag mahihiyang magtanong kung may right net. Wow! So ayun guys. Ito ang daming tao na. And yun. Mainit siya pero hindi masyadong mainit compared sa Manila ngayon. Okay guys, so andito ko sa Senado Square. Ito na yun, yung Senado Square, di ba? So, I'm here at Senado Square. Woo! So guys, andito kami ngayon sa Senado Square naglalakad. And we are going to St. Paul Ruins, our next destination. So ayun, hinahanapan namin. Ay, yan yung famous, yan no, church, St. Paul's Church. Yan yung famous St. Paul's Church. Bale. Okay guys, so ngayon papunta pa kami, naglalakad kami papunta pang St. Paul Ruins. Medyo nakakapagod na. So if pupunta kayo dito, you need to bring at least a bottle of water kasi kami nakalimutan namin bumili ng tubig. So ayun, uhaw na ako. And eto. So from Senado Square, yung kalayuan lang is 450 meters away. So yun, ayun, milk tea. So guys, let's try this.
The essence of tea.
How much? Okay, thank you. Guys, so we're ordering the milk tea. So ito, order kami. And their milk tea, I want to order the double milk one.
Yeah, me too.
Here, I want to order this one.
I will go to the cheapest one.
Double milk.
I didn't know also.
Yes. Golden pearl. So, 29 Hong Kong dollars yung nabayad ko. For a double oolong, golden oolong double milk tea. With pearl. Compared to the normal milk tea, is it legit? Is it authentic?
It's just the same with the 7-Eleven. This one.
Ah, really? Okay.
I'd love a picture niya. Oo. Ako no!
Kasama ba yung globe? Uy!
Isugi ka.
Naka-video na mo yan.
Dali naman ko, dali ka. You're blocking my way.
Problema guys, nawala kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan na kami papunta. We're trying to reach St. Paul's Ruins pero umikot kami kasi medyo nawala kami sa directions. So ayun, but hoping na papuntahan na namin, makakarating makakarating na kami sa St. Paul's Ruins. Nakakapagod guys, super. Kasi yung mga daan nila dito is hindi smooth. So, medyo mahirapan yung luggage namin. Are you okay?
I'm not tired.
Guys, she's so tired guys. Yung Ann Curtis namin guys, tignan niyo. Super tired. Haggard over Sosa.
Hindi ko na alam gagawin ko.
Kaya mo pa yan.
Pinapapumisan na sa mga susuot ko. Tignan nyo, nag-jacket ako.
Guys, di ko alam guys. Super basa yung likod ko. Ewan ko bakit.
Kasi hindi masyadong malamig.
Okay. Pero hindi rin masyadong mainit.
Yeah, tama-tama lang. Tulad yung pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Tapos
Wow,
tama ko rin
tama.
yung pa rin ako.
Hugot. O sa ano masasabi mo? Since nandito ka na sa parang mainland ng...
If I can fly, he cannot fly.
So maghahanap kami ng mga soulmates ni na Ayan at saka ni Giselle dito.
Yeah.
Sige lang.
No. Buta na po siya po.
So saan na tayo? Malapit na? Ilang minutes na lang. Ah, okay, 2 minutes. What's that? Ayan. Sexy! Sexy! Yeah, sexy! Ah! Ah, sexy! Ah, guys, kaya pa? Kaya pa?
Kaya pa.
Si Ann Curtis hindi na kaya.
Oh, pagod na siya.
Pagod na si Ann Curtis. Ah, ito, kababayan.
Meron po kami nito, oh.
So, ito, kababayan, taga saan ka, ate?
Kailak po.
Kailak.
Ayun
Okay,
na.
guys.
oh,
Ito, bumili kami kay ate ng egg tart at saka
Oo,
pasalubong.
tabi mo yan na, i-share mo
So,
yan na.
if andito kayo sa Macau, punta lang kayo dito. Saan to? Banda?
Sa may likod ng putol.
Sa may likod ng putol daw.
Putol na simbahan.
Putol na simbahan.
Salamat.
Sige, thank you, ate. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So ayun guys, malapit na kami sa ruins. Awa, doon naman sa Senado Square. Ayun no? Ayun no? Yan! Senado Square, doon naman tayo. Ayun yung Grand Lisboa, pupunta tayo ulit doon. Guys, ito na ang St. Paul's Ruins. Woo! Yan, payas mi oh.
Oh my God, pwede lang, naraman na taga-picture na.
See? Okay guys, so ito nagpapahinga muna kami and then we will be trying the egg tart. The famous egg tart. So this is it. May candy pa ako.
So, na picture.
How was it?
Nagayan. Must try. Paano sa tawagan na ka na?
Ito yung
Utap na naay ko ay.
Egg pie?
ito try na.
Utap style siya. Taga Hong Kong na ba na lang?
Hindi siya tamis nun, unlike sa egg pie.
Tamis man.
Dili kayo. Lamis siya.
Ano ko sa batang kayo? Gabi ka kuwan.
Picture ko na to, Jason.
Later na yun. Ito na po yun. Wala po, libre ni ha. Ganyan ako na pinicture ni mo.
Okay guys, so andito na kami sa
Kamo.
bus going to
Japan.
we're going to the new bridge bound to Hong Kong terminal kasi magbabas lang kami guys. Itatry namin yung bus to Hong Kong.
Okay, mas makasave ka kay mga
Mas makakasave kami kasi yung ferry is around 200 Hong Kong dollars, di ba?
limpyo kayo, no?
160 if day. Pag night is around 190 ata. But then dito, ipababas lang kami, around 65 Hong Kong dollars lang. So malaki yung masasave namin guys.
Limpyo ito.
Ayun. Okay guys, so we're here at the terminal. So ito, magbabas kami papuntang Hong Kong. So ayun, andito na kami sa Macau, Hong Kong Macau bus terminal. So ito siya guys. Okay guys, so we're here at the bus bound to Hong Kong. At last. So yung binayaran lang namin is 65 Hong Kong dollars. That one. Okay. So ayun, papunta na kami sa aming accommodation which is the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel.
Wow! Bakit ito So, ayun na sila. Nagpapahinga na sila. Para, gaya ko anong na-record.
The Shishi Girl.
Yeah. How about the two?
The two.
The CC group of companies. Nadakpang ganito diri ang si Jason dito pa kayo.
Yeah.
Pinag-happy na siya.
Comfort lang.
Fiber man eh.
We're going to Hong Kong na. So umandar na yung bus and then ayun, maganda yung terminal nila, parang airport. So at saka madali lang puntahan. So if andun ka sa Grand Lisboa, after ng Grand Lisboa, magtanong-tanong ka lang doon and then sa unahan doon may rides doon na 101X. Yun yung sasakyan mo papuntang Hong Kong bus terminal which is dito. And then from here, ayun, magbo-boarding ka lang and then magbabayad ka ng 65 Hong Kong dollars, I mean Macau dollars. And guys, if Hong Kong dollars yung pera mo, katulad sa amin Hong Kong dollars, we have 100 HKD when we paid the ticket, yung change nila is Macau. So sasabihan ka na if okay lang sa iyo if yung change is Macau because they don't actually change Hong Kong dollars. So yun guys, so make sure lang na if ayaw mo ng change na Macau, you need to have the exact amount which is 65 MOP or 65 HKD.
Baki.
So ayun. Okay, and pagkatapos dito,
Mag-napness mo na ako. Notes soaking.
we will just update you guys if ando na kami sa accommodation namin because we haven't taken our dinner yet. So yun. Anyways, yun, bye-bye. From Macau to Hong Kong, pupunta kayo ng Hong Kong, there are two ways. So pwede kayong mag-ferry at saka pwede din kayong mag-bus. Kagaya namin, nag-bus kami. And yung bus lang is 65 Hong Kong dollar. So yun, mas mura siya compared sa jet. But you have to ride two buses. The first one, if may free shuttle naman, but yung sinakyan namin is 101X. Doon kami sumakay sa Grand Lisboa. Malapit sa Grand Lisboa, 101X doon. And you have to pay 6 MOP. So So, yun, murang-mura lang siya. And then, pagkatapos nun, ihatid ka sa Hong Kong bus terminal. Doon ka sasakay papuntang Hong Kong. So, andito na kami. Dumating na kami dito sa Hong Kong. And what we need to do is to ride another bus papuntang Chim San Sui. So, doon kasi yung accommodation namin. And then, after nun, papahinga. And then, kakain. And then, bukas, magdi-Disneyland kami. We're looking for foods because we haven't taken our dinner yet. So, ayun. And ito, maraming mga tao.
Tulog kami sa
Where? Ah, there, McDo. Yan. Okay, so we're going to McDo. So, safe foods muna kami ngayon para hindi ma-upset yung stomachs namin. We also have Jollibee here, 38.
38 rao.
ng Jollibee. Okay. Jollibee! Woo! Bida ang saya. Why?
Para siya, just straightforward.
Jollibee? Yan, basin mo na rin mo ang kwan yan.
Yan.
Kaya ang Jollibee underground. Okay, here, Jollibee is underground. Buti pa sila guys, nakakain ako. Naghihintay pa ako for my turn, for my fried chicken. Naubusan sila ng manok. Sinunog manok sila.
Kasi yung order niya, coming.
Please look who's with us. Stanley! Hi Stan! So guys, ayun, papunta kami sa Avenue of the Stars. So we have Stanley here, an upcoming vlogger. I mean vlogger na pala to. So visit his Facebook page for more tips. So we're going to Avenue of the Stars. So kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Jollibee. So ayun. Bulagan. Bayan. Ay, Pinoy. Ano siya kabayan? Kababayan. Ano siya kababayan?
So dito po yung nag-taping silang Catherine Bernardo.
Ah, dito pala yun.
Wow!
Lagi mag-check-in, nag-ginawa 60k per night.
Social yun mo. Wala, nabet na wax. Agboy, lahi na gid mo. Oh yes, dagay na diri mami nang oras ta.
Kaya nga, rin ako.
Kuya, kami na lang din. Wala na Judy ha. Wala na Judy maibog na ako.
Wow!
Bita kaila. Last na Judy ni.
Last na Jude ni.
Sino singgit ka oy?
Next time na, Jude. Ay, wait lang.
Dali! Woo! Wala na dyan maibog kang Stanley di
Wala
ha?
na Judy. Wala, go na. Dahil ba sa det mangligis sa sa det.
Dako na ka kung naong.
Wow. Ako mas siguro yung tanong doon. Kaya watong sana to sila, uy.
Pero sila, na-trap sila.
Wala, Aryak, hindi kayo na sila. Uy.
Kasi ganito pa chart mo sa una Eros. Si Kuan. Si Kuan.
Mas ba yun?
Ito si...
Kevin, SKR?
Oy, shout out na kang El. Hi El! Shout out! Saan mo sulti kang Erlat?
Hi, Ellie. Female ang birth certificate.
Si Ero pareho na gitagnaw.
Wow!
Malapit na tayo magkalapit.
Hi guys! So, for today's video, we will be going to
Japan.
Disneyland! So, ayun, we are preparing ourselves because papunta kaming Disneyland ngayon. And anong sasakyan natin? Ay, kakain pa muna kami. Eto, nag-prepare na kami. Ang usapan namin is before 7, pero anong oras na ngayon? It's 8 a.m. So, ayun, papunta na kami sa Disneyland. But, kakain pa muna kami.
Tagal ng gumising.
Mata lang, mata. Ay, Pilipinas yun.
Ano ma? Di kami ani nga station. Padung ni sa
Disneyland dun ta.
Disneyland, so kuan mo. Naog mo diri sa Nana may ticket
Namsong
wa
Station.
pa.
Kami mapaludog octopus card.
Sa dito customer service. Palud mo ka okay.
Mas barato ang octopus card.
Magungan ta padung diri ah. Sige dali.
Okay guys, wato na me. We got our octopus card. For this. And dagan kay mga Bisaya day guys. A lot of Bisaya. Very helpful. So, ang dami mga Bisaya dito, mga Pilipino. And mas maganda kasi tumutulong sila at gina-guide niya kami kung kami dapat pumunta, ano yung sasakyan. So, kudos, proud Filipino. Padung may karon sa Sunny Bay. We're going to Sunny Bay for our Disneyland destination. So, ayun. Thank you kay ate.
Nagtawa na sila. Sana well.
Ay, ito yung mga. Oo. Sabo kasi yung bisa ko yung ito pa ang camera.
Naman ng mga chismis.
Sige, na kami sa
Hindi na tayo.
There's miss ko. Ay ka. Dati ka, oh my God. Dati ka so lovely.
Kaya nag-jigit na talaga ang game.
Meron din naman ako ni.
Maliit na nga aking deodorant. Hindi na nalagay kasi
Oh my God.
pakialam sa mga singles.
Hindi nila alam nasaktan.
Bye.
Wait na. Oh, sige, go. Bye-bye.
So guys, ito na. Karating na kami sa aming next stop. So yung next stop namin is, ayun, sasakay na kami ng bus papunta sa Disneyland. And excited na kami guys. Hopefully, pagdating namin doon, hindi masyadong maraming tao.
Yan, dahil sa'yo ka yan.
Ah, okay.
迪士尼站，祝大家有奇妙。
Wow guys, nandito na kami sa Disneyland. Kakarating lang namin. Woo! Saan dito? For you guys, ito na Disneyland. So anong yung sasakyan nga papunta dito? Like from Chimsansu Station, Naungchong, Chamnyong Station,
to Sunny Bay Station.
then to Sunny Bay Station, tapos sasakay ka ng Disneyland Railway. So ayun, andito na kami sa loob ng Disneyland. So ito na. So nag-book kami ng ticket via Klook application. So mas nakakamura kasi yung entrance dito is around 4,200 pero pag sa Klook ka nag-book 3,600 pesos lang yung nabayaran namin. Hi! We are here at National Ride. So we will try our first ride here in Hong Kong Disneyland. And itatry namin tong parang indoor Star Wars ride.
Kasi maraming space doon. Space doon.
Ala, nag-grenade! Then guys, sasakay na kami ng parang roller coaster daw to pero Star Wars yung theme. So ito, first ride namin dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. So excited kami. Guys, kamusta? 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 Oh, kamusta? Kamusta?
Really, I didn't expect this one because you know I'm afraid of rides. But now,
It's very amazing, yeah. Okay guys, so we are here inside the Iron Man Expo. So I'm not sure if this is a ride, but I think it's all about that. Stark. So this is Stark's office, Iron Man's office. Uy! Kita nag-move man di ay. Guys! Ayun! Natatama rin kami! Woo! Bamal ka! Ayun man! Okay guys, so ito, na-announce na ng Flight of Parade. So, papunta na kami doon para manood ng Flight of Parade. Any minutes from now, magsa-start na. All of their staffs are preparing for the parade. now we are here in Adventure Island. So ito, may upcoming live show 4 minutes from now. So yun yung destination namin. Here!
Let's see if she's stronger than that man.
Whoa, magic!
As strong as Gaston. Has she had her voice? I talk, my friends, but wave your fingers in front of you like this. Put them up, put them down, and watch the magic happen. Dance, puppy.
错，不過呢度有幾條規則你一定要遵守。來到這個邪惡的溫床，但是這裡。
Wow!
Dito yung bahay nila.
So guys, we are here in Grizzly Bear. We will be riding roller coasters. So ngayon, roller coaster yung sasakyan namin and we're very excited. Giselle, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very
Hindi na hindi ka
excited.
tigsa kaya ginagawa.
Like-
Wala tong ko ano.
Ganoon cake ko.
Ano ko ang choco pag
Lahat ko polite but shut
We will be riding the train. This is it! This is it! This is really easy. Ayun guys, so pauwi na kami kasi malapit na mag-6. So ayun, yung plano is pupunta ka pa kami dun sa night market ng Hong Kong. So and also marami kami nasakyan na rides dito but hindi lahat yung nasakyan namin kasi yung time hindi sapat yung oras namin. So anyways, sulit na sulit guys yung pagpunta namin dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Nag-enjoy talaga kami. So